All right. What's up, y'all? New week, new week. We're gonna go through updates as far as everything that went on last week, carrying over into this week. We had an insane week last week, literally insane. Um, insane, like insane, y'all. Over 1,600 pips caught, um, over 2,000% on the account growth. Yes, I said 2,000% in 1 week. Um, just insane. We have the flip challenge going right now, which some accounts are up 2,000%, some accounts are up 1,000%, some accounts are up 500%. Um, and I'm saying percent, not like $2,000. I'm saying like percentage overall. We flip these accounts significantly. Um, so even on the biggest account right now, which it went from $270, right now it's about it's floating. Um, we're in a Bitcoin trade, which is looking lovely. Um, okay, when did that drop? I didn't even notice it dropped even lower. That's what I'm talking about. Um, which I'm up like, let me just explain it. So we started off at 270. We got it all the way up to like 4,000 and something right now. And then right now we're floating 2,000. So you see the balance is like 4,000, and then we're floating like 2,000. I don't know if it's hard for y'all to see that. So this account started off at $270. So I know it might be hard to see. I don't know if it's focused or whatever, but it's up like 2,000%. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but there it goes. It's like 2,000%. I can see that. So literally, we have been going insane. Here is the $32 account. And the good thing about it, man, the crazy thing about it is we are a few trades away from basically beating the challenge and potentially making $1 million. So this is the, I'm trying to make it focus, but this is the $32 account. So it's currently up. There it goes. So it's $254 in the balance. It's floating $120. So it's literally up like $370 from $32. So you can see like the percentage gains right here. If the fucking camera will focus, but oh well, I tried. I'm not gonna keep playing with it, but it's literally insane gains. Oh, there it goes. So it's like 600 and something percent, 676% gains. And this one has only been going for like 4 days. So insane right now. Again, the flip challenge is completely free for y'all to follow if y'all want to follow along and take the same trades and potentially make the same $1 million as I make. I am going to be starting it officially on the first, but I might fuck around and beat it before the first. That's crazy. But that's the flip challenge update, man. Outside of that, let's go ahead and look at these charts. The current trade that we are in on the flip challenge is Bitcoin. We literally took the sell on Friday. Um, I kid you not, right here on this candle. We saw zero drawdown and went straight into profit. Beautiful trade, man. Um, so last week update, we had a ton of charts last week, but I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm just going to show y'all these two updates, and then we're going to go over y'all's current charts for this week. So USD CHF is looking good. Just continue to be patient, continue to hold it. I expect a small correction potentially, and then a continuation down this week. CAD CHF, this one we also we took last week. Basically, it's almost done. We actually closed out around here. We made a small pullback right before the market closed. So we're already out of this one, but I do expect it to finish off if y'all are still holding it. So this week, new trades for y'all are going to be GBPUSD. And I'm looking for, let me start with the dollar. So the dollar overall this week, I want y'all to follow a small correction and then a continuation down. So whether we gets it right here or we go into this range, either way, small correction and then a downside move. And it could also just continue down as well. Overall, just look for a downside move on the DXY, right? GU this week on GBPUSD, y'all are going to be looking for a small correction down and then a continuation towards the upside. So look for a small correction down and continuation up. One thing I do want y'all to keep in mind is that GBPUSD and EURUSD do not have our 90% strategy. So just keep those in mind when y'all are looking at these two. I will be sharing with y'all one of the students trades that do have the 90% accuracy strategy, which is how we've been making these insane gains on the flip challenge. So I am going to share one of those trades with y'all as well. So Euro USD, both of these GU and EU, I still really love them. They have all the confirmations that they need. They just don't necessarily have that 90% new strategy accuracy that we have been playing with. So Euro USD, we're looking for a small correction and then a continuation towards the upside for this week on Euro USD. GBP CAD. So GBP CAD this week, what you guys are going to look for is a small correction up and then a continuation down. So whether it, now the perfect correction for me is going to be here and then down. If we don't get that, we might just go for a sweep of this high and then drop. What I'm going to be doing is the moment that we take this high, I'm going to literally be watching my phone and prepared to sell it at any moment. Literally. So I want y'all to just watch for the best pullback that you can get and then look for a trade towards the downside. Hopefully we're able to gap towards the upside and then we should be able to still take this trade down. So hopefully we can gap up and then we'll be able to take the trade down on the closure of the gap. But even if not a gap up, small movement up, and then we're going to be looking for sales towards the downside. And this is GBP CAD. Outside of that, man, I really don't have much else for y'all. If y'all are new to the stream, with the YouTube in general, just make sure y'all are subscribed so that y'all don't miss out on anything that I drop in the future. If y'all can do me a favor, hit the like button on the video, as well as in the description, you have the link to our free Telegram chat room where I'm dropping a lot of these trades as well as the updates. So keep in mind, y'all only get 2 of these videos a week. So on the weekends and during Wednesday midweek, right? So the YouTube drops. So any updates that I need to put out before that, like on Monday or Tuesday, it's going to go in the chat room. So if you're not in the chat room, you're going to be missing out on potential updates, whether it's will take your profit, moving stop loss, going risk free, you know what I'm saying? Or whatever the case may be, right? Trade closes, whatever the case. Like that update is going to go in the chat room. So make sure y'all are in the chat room and the link is down below. It's completely free. So make sure y'all are in the chat. If y'all are interested in learning our strategy and how I trade the markets and have been making an insane amount of money in these markets, you have the information to our mentoring package, which is also down below. It's currently 50% off, which is $299. The normal price is $599. So all of that information is for y'all. It is a one-time fee lifetime package. It does also include access to all of my personal trades, as well as the mentoring student sessions, as well as the mentoring students weekend breakdown. So that weekly breakdown that they get recording for the outlook of all of the charts and explanation of how I'm going to be looking at the charts for the upcoming week. They get all of that good stuff. So if y'all are interested in that, the website information is also down below. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a great trading week. Let's get some money. And I will catch y'all later. Make sure y'all's notifications is on so that I don't miss out on any future drops. All of these drops have been pure money. So why not, right? Why do you want to miss out on some money, right? So don't miss out on any money. Let's get it.